What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these trades to journal my trades. I also do these live trades to help you guys out. Also get feedback from you guys. We all help each other out in here. So let me make sure my all right volume good. All right, market is going to open up here in about 20 seconds. Yesterday, man, we had Powell speaking, which I forgot to mention to you guys. I'm pretty sure you guys was tracking. Had Powell speaking. As soon as he started speaking yesterday, market got to dropping yesterday. About 10, 15 minutes before he started speaking. And yeah, I got some of these puts over here yesterday. I actually got a lot of them puts. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, pretty good session yesterday. If you guys went back, I forgot to let you guys know, but yeah, I forgot. I it crossed it blew my mind that Powell was speaking yesterday. I forgot, but market just open. We'll see what it wants to present to us. We still kind of in a range. We did drop yesterday. We gapped down yesterday, but we still sitting in a range. Look at this range right here. We're sitting in. So SPY didn't get below 220, and it held all of this right here from the past few days that we've been consolidating. So let's see what happens with that. Let me pull my other chart up here. Hope you guys having a great morning. Good morning to everybody in the chat. All right. So Apple that 200 level, watching that level. What to do, Black Tie? He says Trump speaking at 1. Yeah, he speak at 1. He does speak at 1. You right. Eric, what to do? Did I figure out how to use an RSI? I'm still working on it. I back tested it a little bit. I actually used it yesterday. I used it yesterday as soon as market opened. But I use it from the little bull sign on the video yesterday. Got that 30%. But yeah, interesting. It's gonna be interesting today. See if everybody gonna panic, sell. We got to treat today like a Friday as well, guys. I knew QQQ was going down. I got the damn bearish signal. Positive insights. What it do, Detroit? What it do? You in here? All right. I like that in the video right there. Let's see what happens though. Damn, the video is sitting up pretty nice here. I'm gonna hold off though, see what happens. QQQ, pretty bearish. See what the RSI looking like. Damn. See, I see that. I seen that bear right there. That's what I be looking at. I see we crossed right there on that lavender line. Could have gotten QQQ puts as soon as then we opened up, but we'll watch and see what happens. Damn. So everything's moving to the downside right now. AMD, NVIDIA. Let's go through these. Tesla dropping. See if we recover right here. Tesla sitting right at pre-market low. Damn. Should have got in down test. I mean, QQQ. Netflix pulling back. Damn, Netflix puts in the money $2,000. Y'all can have that one. Shit, I should have gotten them QQQ puts soon as market open. I'll wait though. Let's see. See if spot breaks this 5-minute ORB right here. I usually wait for the 15-minute ORB, but if I see something early, I'll take it. If it's pulling back at a certain level for me, pre-market high or pre-market low. Damn. Nvidia. I'm watching SPY, see if we recover. SPY don't get below this 5-minute ORB right here. Pretty sure we'll probably bounce, but let's see what happens. Damn. Still losing it. I'm about to set up. I'm gonna load up SPY puts right here. 527. I'm gonna load up 524 puts. Damn. A lot of volatility in here. Give me 1 second. Let me see if we bounce back or recover. Damn. I'm gonna change it to QQQ puts, guys. QQQ 442 puts. If we break this consolidation right here, I'll take the entry. Right here at the bottom right here. If we break this pullback right here, I'll take this entry. 442 is a strong level. RSI, we sitting right around 41. Let's see if we pass this candle right here. QQQ puts, I got them loaded up. 442. All right, I just took my entry on QQQ puts. See if we can scalp this down to 442. I'm light. I'm in light. I'm in light. Stop loss is above this pre-market high right, and this pre-market low right here. If we get above that pre-market low right there, I'll exit. That's my stop loss. Sitting right around break even right now. So we just came down. I just got in off a pullback right here. See what we can get out of it. Should have got in right off the open, but it's all good. Let's see what happens. See if SPY loses this right here. 2 seconds on this candle. 9:40 on the clock. Damn. You ain't gonna go for us? We need to lose this low. NVIDIA under pre-market low. AMD sitting right around pre-market low. Yeah, everything is right at pre-market low. Amazon pulling back at pre-market low. Tesla. We need to break this. NVIDIA broke it. God damn it. I knew NVIDIA was going to go. I knew it. I knew NVIDIA was going to go. I'm down 10% right now. Stop loss is this pre-market low right here. Probably hopped in early, trying to get a quick scalp. We'll let it pull back. If it gets above this pre-market high, though, I will exit and find a re-entry. If it gets above, that's all I'm risking right there. Let's see if it bounces off this 9 EMA. 8 EMA, same thing. 20 seconds on this candle. Damn. I'm down 24%, sitting at my stop loss. Let's see if we wick off. Finger on the trigger, guys. See if we wick right here. It's just a break and retest. If it gets above this pre-market low right here, I don't want to see that. I'm down 19%. Not heavy at all, only in a couple contracts. Let's see if SPY recovers. Damn. Probably fake this out, guys. Still hasn't got above pre-market high, pre-market low right here. But my finger on the trigger probably get stopped out on here. All right, side going back. Getting wicked. Big drop right here. See if we lose it here. Damn, the video. Only down 15% right now. I'm in QQQ puts. Amazon recovered. Yeah, we probably about to recover, guys. Shit. Still wicking off this damn 9 EMA, 8 EMA right here. See if we lose this pre-market low. Fuck, I knew NVIDIA was the chart, man. I knew it. Damn. See if we break these lows right here. Down 12%. We just went up, break and retested the pre-market low right here. Now, if we got good price action, we should get a continuation and get a little scalp out of this, but y'all know how the price action been. All right, there we go. There we go. Great break and retest right there. Now let's break the lows. Break the low of this ORB right here. It's 945. We break this lows, we good. Damn, I knew NVIDIA was the chart, boy. It's all good. Sitting at right around negative 9% right now. We keep rejecting this pre-market low, we should be break even here in a second. 8 seconds on this candle. Let's see what happens. 9:45 on the clock. NVIDIA broke. Oh no, okay. We need to lose this ORB right here. I'm down 5%. Good hold. There we go. Sitting right around break even, guys. I'm sitting right around break even right now. Hell yeah. If SPY loses this low right here, we'll be good. Sitting right around break even. If you're afraid, you can exit. Don't say I ain't tell you. I knew NVIDIA was the chart, boy. Look at NVIDIA. I knew it. Damn. I knew it. I looked at NVIDIA. I said, damn, NVIDIA about to go. We need to lose this ORB right here. Let's lose this ORB. Still some down 4% right now. Great break and retest. I want to see if we can keep continuing this price action right here. 22 seconds on this candle. NVIDIA. Damn, NVIDIA. Google losing it right now. Tesla moving sideways. Looks like NVIDIA is moving the market. The reason why SPY haven't really recovered. It's 9:48 on the clock. Let's see what happens right here. We're sitting right at the bottom of the ORB, the open range breakout. I'm still in the trade. I'm down 7% right now. Come on now, break the ORB. Still holding, down 12%. Let's go. SPY lose it. SPY lose it. QQQ will lose it. This bitch trying to recover though. Nice pullback on NVIDIA, but I think NVIDIA that made the move already. See what happens right here. So I don't want to see SPY get above this open price level, that yellow line right there. It keeps getting rejected off of. I don't want to see it. Yeah, see on QQQ, we got rejected on that pre-market low. Now we should get rejected right here, and we should flush if we get rejected right here. Looks like we about to recover though. Shit. Still hold. I'm down 26% right now. Shit. Damn, we needed this shit to break the lows. Going up, retesting again. Finger on the trigger, guys. All right, guys, I'm out of the video. I'm out of QQQ puts. Got faked out. It's all good. Apple. Dang it. That's on me. That's on me. I should have just waited for ORB, like I told myself. But I wasn't heavy. Only in a couple contracts. Let's see what else we can find, man. Fucking with QQQ, retarded ass. Damn. Let me look at Apple. Oh, man. So we just bottomed out. It looked like we just bottomed out right here at the bottom of ORB. That motherfucker stopped me out. Shit. But yeah, it looked like we just bottomed out right here. I should have did what I was gonna do before. I was gonna go in QQQ put soon as market open. It's all good. Tesla recovering. Let's see if SPY gets above ORB. If it holds up here above ORB and pulls back, we'll take an entry. Netflix, pretty strong here. 9:53 on the clock. Fuck. I'm watching Meta right here. Meta can get above this 200 moving average on a 2-minute chart. I'll take that. Metal 505. Let me see metal right quick. AMD. I'm gonna load up Meta. It's pretty high. Meta 507.5 calls. I'm gonna see if we can break this pullback right here at the 200 moving average. Let me look at this 5 minute because we are finna move to the 5 minute. All right, watch it pull back right there. Damn. This bitch goddamn rejecting the OR top of ORB also. You said I forgot that's Meta. You said that I see the RSI flip on QQQ. See, I was just in QQQ. Let me see. All right, so right here. Oh, okay, so the lavender got above. Oh, okay. So when the lavender gets above, that's the flip. So you watching that lavender. That other purple line fucking me up. I'm finna change that color. All right, I see what you're saying now. All right. I'm gonna just mark mine white. So I'll look at the all right, yeah, the other purple line fucking me up. So when this purple line crosses both, that's when it's flipping. All right. Am I right, Eric? I think you're right. I think I'm right. Longy, LOL, and the video killed me this week. Man, I really had a decent week. To be honest, yesterday when Powell was speaking, I recovered the whole week. I kind of got some money yesterday. I ain't gonna cap to you. Yeah, we had a big payday yesterday when Powell was speaking. Ron, I'm gonna just wait until Trump speak. I can't keep losing on these trades. Man, it's the name of the game. Name of the game. You gotta risk if you wanna win, man. I forgot that's Meta. The other purple gotta be in. The other purple gotta be in the bottom for calls. Yes, all right. Yeah, QQQ. We had to move. It went down, pulled back. We retested pre-market low, came down, just no continuation. It's been the name of the game the past few days of the market, man. Even calls, even if you got in calls, look, calls only went right at the top of ORB. Boom, flipped again. We flipping again the puts. You know what I'm saying? Until the market catches up and settle down off of all this news and stuff, it ain't gonna be no clean price section. Look at that. We just going up and down in the damn range. That's why I take the that's why I take the been taking a 5-minute ORB, get a quick move like I did yesterday on the video. Soon as market open, which I should have did on QQQ, but kind of hesitated. Yeah, I seen Nvidia did that same yesterday. Nvidia did this soon as market open, bounced off a pre-market low and went up. Got 30% out of that, but it's been hit or miss, man. You got to get in and get out, fucking with Trump. That's all I can tell you, man. And you need to set your alerts. So yesterday, when so I always set alerts at my weekly levels just to set them. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, SPY recovering. Like right here yesterday. Real well. It was QQQ. So the first play I had got in yesterday was QQQ. Y'all see we pulling back right at ORB. We can't do nothing with that, man. We just can't do nothing with it. So yesterday, QQQ broke this weekly, that pre-market low right there. That's what I watched yesterday. I seen all this pulling back at the pre-market low, and then we came back down. That's when I entered right there. When Powell was speaking, I entered right here. Just pulled back at the pre-market low right here. Damn, I knew SPY was gonna recover. So if I can get some continuation, Amazon 417. But yeah, appreciate that, Eric. Appreciate that one. I was using the RSI, but I was using this RSI right here. I'm gonna load up Amazon puts right here. Kind of aggressive entry. You ain't got to take it with me. I'm loading up the put Amazon puts right here. We pulling back right here, right below that 200 moving average. Yeah, we wicking off right there at the 200 moving average on the 5-minute. I just entered Amazon puts. You don't have to take it with me. You don't have to take it with me, guys. If you afraid, y'all know me. Hey, you gotta risk some money to make some money. The only thing is you gotta control your risk. Don't risk everything. You know what I'm saying? Get a couple days. Get a couple days. Oh shit. God damn it. Shit, I was up 25% and exited on accident. That's my cue right there. Well, yeah, Amazon put working out though. Just broke and retest that 200 moving average. Remember I told you this 200 moving average is like Debo. I got in as soon as we wicked off right here, but I just exited at 25% on accident, but I was trying to trim. But yeah, just regular break and retest came down and broke. But see how we going back up? See, the top of the ORB is right here above the 200 moving average. So I can use the 200 moving average as resistance. Shit. That bitch went 50%. But yeah, man, we can't control the markets. All we can do is let the market recover, trade what they can get, what they gonna give us. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at this RSI. See, like right here on QQQ, it gave the bull sign right here. That's how I took the video yesterday, Eric. I'm fucking with that RSI that you gave me though. Appreciate that. All the clean movements been like when the market closed, man. Look at SPY. We sitting at top of ORB, but we're not even moving up above it to even get a pullback. All right, you said that's the divergence. All right, so when I see that, right, the bullish divergence, right? Why not getting calls right there? You know what I'm saying? I mean, why wouldn't you? What do you wait on? What do you wait on when you see the on this indicator? When you see the bull sign? What or the bear sign? What do you wait on to take the trade? Because when I was using the other RSI, I would just wait for a big wick or some kind of price action slowing down. Then that's when I would enter. Okay, you said it worked. Let the trend start and then enter. All right, yeah, you said I can't. Yeah, okay. Because I took it yesterday on a sign like that. I took it in the video call and got 30%. So I was like, but when you told me yesterday, you don't take it from the divergence signal. You just wait on it. All right, we're gonna do that. So it looked like we just went up and came back down. Look at this damn look. Now SPY wants to make the move. How much you want to bet? Where's QQQ? This is right where we fucking got out at or entered at. Now it's making a move. See what I'm saying? Now I could have held it all the way up here, but I'd rather wait for a re-entry. But I'm pretty sure we'll probably bounce right here because SPY is holding the hell out of this pre-market low. That's the reason why we still sitting in this range. This is the 15-minute range right here. Yeah, boy, Eric, boy. I appreciate that one. Shit. Dang. But always remember, man, if you lose, you always got other trading days. We got the whole next week and earnings coming next week. Y'all know when earnings come, the market likes to move a little bit more sometimes after earnings, but you just get a lot of big movements earnings season. I know earnings season just got over with. It come right back up. We're already in the first quarter. because the higher bias can be a downtrend. Also, you know, as long as you know your levels. All right, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use that RSI along with the levels. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Appreciate that one though. Now look at this shit. Right where we got them was at before we exited when it went back up. So our bias was right, especially if we keep making this move. It just pulled back a little too much for me. That's why I keep my stop tight. I keep my stop at the level. I let it break the level, pull back. If it gets above too much in the level, I'm getting out. I'd rather take my small loss and get back in. That's the name of the game. Keep your losses small, winners big. You know what I'm saying? You could clearly see a trend like yesterday when Powell was speaking. You can clearly see the trend. So I can just let it ride, especially when it's already past my stop loss. I'll just let it ride. You know what I'm saying? Take some out, leave runners. Runners are the ones that's gonna make you the money. Them runners, but we ain't been having no chart like that. You know what I'm saying? We've been having get in, get out quick. Get in, get out quick. That's what kind of price action we've been having. Get in, get out quick, as you can see. The colors is key. All right. So does it. So I changed that. I don't even know what color that is. What that dark purple? What color is that? Is that lavender? Nah, it ain't lavender. Lavender is more purplish. So this color right here is like a more red or almost amberish. I don't even know what color that is. That's why I changed it to white. I'm about to change that to white. Which one is that anyway? Most. What the most stand for? Y'all know I'm a C average student. Magnet. Magnet. All right. All right. Top bottom RSI. RSI base. When Trump speak at one, right? Yeah. You see what I'm saying? Look at spot. Now it's going back up. When I see that, man, I just sit back and I'll watch. I, I'll watch that. Just like I did yesterday. It did this yesterday morning. I sat and watched. I'm like, all right, I'll let it do what it do. I left the charts up all day, chilling, playing with the kids. Then I got a ping from TradingView. Set your alerts, guys. So if you set your alerts at certain levels, like I had a ping on the ES. So I follow this chart right here, the ES. It's the S&P futures. So most of the time, the ES will make the move before a SPY will, and that's what I was just taking all my trades off of yesterday. But if you want me to explain that to you guys one day, I will. But kind of gets confusing when you go to using other charts, unless y'all ready for that. You know what I mean? Every day we all still learning. Y'all remember that. Never stop learning and trading. Never stop learning and trading. Always want to keep learning. Now we wicking off again. The video finally broke RIB. The lines is the key. So you wait for the lavender to cross both on top, and then get into play. Wait for the lavender to cross. $10.14 on the clock. The Amazon put worked out. I just jumped out too damn early on an accident. I got down press close contracts instead of a couple, so it's all good though. But nah, it went up, got rejected off of that 200 moving average. We loaded them up right here. I got 25%, but jumped out too goddamn early. But it's all good. Probably came down. It's probably at about 60-70% right now. QQQ's pulling back, but with this price action, man, you want to just wait till the level break. I'll wait till ORB break. That's what I did yesterday. Shit, ORB ain't breaking until damn 2:00 in the afternoon, 1:30, something like that. But yeah, it was a short, trash ass week. Sideways action if we hug 50 line. All right, so like in the middle right here. So if you stay right here, sideways action. So if you at the top or the bottom, big moves when the lavender crosses both lines. So if we sitting in the middle right around 50, it probably ain't really gonna move. But if we cross it towards buy or sell levels, we should get a decent move if the lavender crosses both lines. I think that's what you're telling me, right? Damn, look at fucking SPY, bro. Fucking QQQ making the move. Yeah, man, we all learning, man. Shit. I ain't rich yet. I'm up though. I ain't rich though. I ain't rich yet. I'm up though. My rich might be me consider being rich might be different for other people. I'm up. I ain't rich though yet. We still gotta get this money, baby. And even when we get rich, we still gonna get some more. You know what I'm saying? It's about the cross. I'm in puts. Are you talking about SPY? What you talking about? You in SPY? It's about the cross. I'm in puts. $10.16. Oh, you saying the white and the yellow line about to cross? Is that what you saying? Let me look at this message you sent me yesterday. My bad, guy. I'm trying to get this RS. It's most on RSI indicator. So I use the regular RSI. This one right here. But my boy Eric then gave me another RSI to use that kind of hit way harder. And I would advise you guys to put it on your charts too, because it actually gives you a buy and sell signal. See, this is the only RSI I was using. But that white is the Magneta. So if that crosses that yellow line, I see what you're saying right now. So the yellow line right now is on top. So it's about to cross the Magneto white line that I just changed it to. So when it's about to cross or get close to each other, that's when you enter. Yeah, you said you like, all right. Boy, that boy Eric might know something. Okay. The lines are key. Let me read this message you sent me yesterday. I've been trying to make you a mod too, Eric. I just got to go in my settings. This chart here, I ain't gonna lie. The first day he gave me this indicator, I hit the first day I used it. I'm like, oh shit, where you get that from? I ain't never seen heard of that indicator. I been got out, got in, we was rejected. Oh yeah. So yeah. Yeah, as soon as we rejecting, you getting in. Where that message at? Yeah, man, we got a QQQ puts over here, but I got stopped out. It got above pre-market low right here. That was my stop loss. Coming back down though, but unless we get below this ORB and retest, I'll take an entry off a retest. Kind of taking the light today. Even the first trade I took, I was pretty light. Not gonna lie, kind of banked on. I kind of banked on Powell speaking yesterday. That's why I'm kind of taking it light today, man. And it's a short week. I ain't trying to go into the weekend. You don't want to go into the weekend with a loss or a blown account or a big loss. I'm okay with a small loss. Shit, I can recover from that with other hustles. You know what I'm saying? But I usually take a light, especially if I hit big. I take it light. Oh, there you go. Damn, QQQ got under. Your white line should be on top, then yellow, lavender. White line on top. Break now retest. All right. Bear. See the line. This puts. Change this back to lavender. Well, not. I keep it white. I keep the most white. Love and basketball. My bad. I missed your question. My bad. When I'm on the 5 minute, the ORB shows, but when I go to the 15 minute, it doesn't show. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Love and basketball. You still in here? You still in here? My bad. I missed your question. Well, shoot. If you go back and watch the video, you'll see. I'll answer it real quick. This is what you need to do though. Go over here to your indicators. Go to your ORB indicators. Go to the settings. So once you get into settings, go to inputs. ORB total time and minutes should be 15. Then the session time, you want it from 9:30 to 9:45. So 9:30 to 9:45 is going to show you the 15-minute ORB. All you need to do is change your setting. This right here, it probably says 5 because you haven't changed it to 15 yet. But make sure it says 15. Yeah, make it look just like this. You only want ticks and minutes. Click, put 15 right there. But it should already be on there like this. But yeah, you just got to change the inputs. All right, yeah, he here. All right, you said you was Amazon puts. Oh shit, you got money off of that, didn't it? I jumped out early at 25%. It's at like 100% right now. Yeah, I jumped out early. You boy, if you still in puts, you getting money right now. Damn, Eric, boy, you got me in love with this damn indicator, boy. I don't know why. Where you find that indicator at? Lavender, yellow. Okay. I'm guessing when all of them meet up. 10:25 on the chart on the clock, guy. Y'all remember, man, if y'all in any swing, oh yeah, all right, yeah, you got that love and basketball? Yeah. All you do is change that setting. You should be good. Change them settings. You should be good. Yeah, you said I'm telling you, once you look at it right, you good. I'm still in. Yeah, I'm trying to I'm trying to get the look of it right before I use it. So once they all meet together, so you want to see them all meet together, basically. So that's kind of like the MACD, because I use the MACD like that. Once they all meet together, and then the lavender crosses both. That's a fire ass indicator, boy. That's a fire ass indicator. Because the other RSI, it only has two lines. It shows you. Like, look at the other RSI that I use. I only have the two lines right there, the purple and yellow. But this lavender right here, that lavender meets the yellow line, and then you got them enter your trade. All right, we got it. Loving basketball. He said, "Oh, he asked you a question, Eric. Hey, Eric, I'm interested in the RSI indicator. I can't find vids on YouTube to get understanding. Can you help me?" Yeah, Eric can help you with that, man. I'll help you a little bit. I know a little bit about the RSI. I don't really use it. I don't really use it too much. Y'all know I trade the trend. I don't really trade reversals like that because when I first started trading, I really had bad luck at trading reversals. But I'm trying to goddamn get them into get reversals into my. Damn, look at fucking QQQ. We was in QQQ puts right here. Got stopped out. Look like I should have held that shit, huh? It's all good. Loving basketball. You still in Amazon puts? I got out early, but no, all of the right. How I use the RSI is once it goes up. Well, how I used to use this RSI right here. Once it goes up and you see red or green at the top, all the RSI shows you is when the trend is switching from bearish to bullish. That's all the RSI shows. So once you see this, how I used to use it. Once I used to see this lavender line right here at the bottom. Once I used to see it overbought or oversold. So we're going if we're in puts, it's gonna be oversold. If we're going up, it's gonna be overbought. So right now, if this goes all the way down, it's gonna be overbought, and you'll actually see. I don't see it right now, but I used to wait for the red. It'll be a color right here at the bottom. You'll know it's real overbought, and that's when I used to get in getting calls. If I see the color pop up, and then I'll wait for the chart, I see price action slowing down, and then that's when I get in. But with this indicator that Eric just gave me, it actually shows you the bullish diversion or the bearish divergence before it even got down, before the trend even switches. So right here, when me and Eric was just talking, he said, "Yeah, I'm in puts right now." So he was looking at these wicks right here. I'm pretty sure he's seen these wicks and got in puts. And all he waited on was, if I'm not mistaken, Eric, he waited on this lavender RSI line to cross both the yellow line and the little dark purple line in the middle. Once they all meet up and the lavender crosses, that's when the trend switches. If I explained that right, Eric. All right, yeah, we right. All right, Eric, yeah. I'm that type of person, man. When I see something, I got to figure it out right then, and I got to figure it out. You know what I'm saying? Especially if it's gonna make you some money. Appreciate that, Eric. He said I got out because I did a put too early, so I just recovered my loss, and now I'm trying to find another entry. Oh, you talking about on Amazon? Yeah. Yeah, we losing ORB on most of these charts right here. If we get under 524 right here, just like yesterday, that's what I was waiting on yesterday. We lose that 524, it's over with. We did that same thing yesterday. I'm telling you, yesterday, I had a great day yesterday. I ain't gonna cap. One of my biggest days. But yeah, man. It's 10:30, man. I'm gonna call it a morning. I'm gonna go backtrack some of these trades from this week, man. Get right. If we stay bearish right here, I might take some of these puts right here if we keep staying bearish, but we probably will recover. We're still sitting in the range, even though we're dropping off. We're still sitting in the range on SPY, guys. Look at this. So right here was the Trump news, Trump tariff news, went up, and ever since then we've been sitting in this damn range from 518 to 540. We just been playing right in this range. You know what I'm saying? So if we come down and break these levels, like look at this. This is the hourly chart. So we start breaking some of these levels, like this 510. That's a real strong level. If we start breaking some of these levels, like 524, just know it's probably gonna be good. Some continuation under those weekly levels. Those purple lines right there, those are my weekly levels. But yeah, man, I'm gonna recover, backtrack some trades. Pretty decent week. Got stopped out on QQQ here early, but got it back on Amazon. If you held it, you probably got some more than I did, but it's all good though. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it a day. I'll be back. Eric, you say you gonna hit me this weekend, so you good for me? Yeah, hit me up. Plus, we had a bear pie. Eric, how do I get in contact? All right, yeah, y'all do that. But all right, though, y'all take it easy. It's your boy Clark. Y'all have a great weekend. I might be dropping a video this weekend. I'll let you guys know. Positive insights, what it do. Appreciate y'all for being here, man. Y'all hit that like on the way out. We'll be back next week. All right, I'm out.